2 of my eyeshadows. Stop looking at me. But but yeah. So today we're just gonna move up to a different shelf and yeah. But yeah, let's get started. So here is all the palettes, and I'm gonna be like swatching a few and then see which ones I want to like give away or get rid of because I don't use it that much. So yeah. First, I'm gonna start off with this one from Maybelline, and I don't use this one that much, and I don't really like the colors, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next is the Pixie one, and this looks new, so I'm gonna keep that. These are from Shop Miss A, and this one looks good, but like this one's broken, so I'm probably just gonna get rid of that one. Oh, wrong pile. Now we have a Morphe palette, and I love these things, so I'm probably gonna keep this one. Okay, next is the Morphe palette, and yes, I'm keeping this one because I love the colors. Next is the Sephora Vintage Filter. And this is what it looks like. And I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Next is the BH Cosmetics It's Judy's Time eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna keep this because I love her and I love BH Cosmetics. Next is from City Color. It's a Barely Exposed palette. And I'm gonna get rid of this one since it's like a knockoff of the Naked palettes. Next is a Rimmel London one, and it's almost like the same colors of like the Naked palettes, but I'm gonna swatch. I'm not gonna keep it because it's not that great. Next is an NYX Nude on Nude, and I haven't used this one in a long time, and it's basically like some palettes. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Next is an Ulta palette, and these are the matte neutrals. I'm gonna keep this because I need some matte colors. Next is a MUA palette from like MUA Professional, and I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next is another MUA one, and here's what they look like. So I'm gonna keep that. Next is another MUA palette, and here are the colors. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next we have a fuzzy palette from Revolution, and it's so cute, and here are the colors. It reminds me of a Too Faced one. Whoa. The blue didn't show up. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next, there's this little one, and it's a Spice Market color palette. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Next is a Ulta palette, and this is Gilded Gold. And here are the colors. I'm gonna get rid of that one. And then there's the Sephora Mixology one. And here's what they look like. And I'm not gonna keep this one. Next, this is a Profusion, which I'm pretty sure this is from the dollar store. This won't open. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this because I feel like it would come in handy like Halloween videos. Next, there is another Ulta palette, and this is in Rose Gold. And I'm gonna keep this one. And then there's this palette, which from Laura Mercier. and it's like a wall. It looks like a wallet to me. And here's what it looks like. And here's what the colors look like. And I'm gonna get rid of that one. Here's a Songy Kashik one. I'm gonna keep this. This is a Josie Marin one, and it says I love you too. With like, and it's spelled like I, like the I. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then there is a Wet n Wild one. I'm gonna keep that. Next there is a Revlon Color Stay Not Just Nudes. And here's what they look like. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next there is a Pixie Eye Glow Cube. Here's the colors. And I'm gonna get rid of that one. Next is a ColourPop Element of Surprise one, and I'm gonna keep this because I love ColourPop. Now is a Barcelona Limited Edition palette, and I'm gonna keep this. And here's a Pure palette, and I feel like these are new, so I'm gonna keep this. This is really new. Like we literally just got this like a little bit ago. I'm gonna keep that. And I feel like we just got this too. It's a BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna keep that. Next is a Jordana palette, and I feel like these colors are like really natural, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next is a Glam Metals by Crown, and here's what they look like. I'm gonna keep this. Next is a Shadow Lady from the Balm. And here's the colors. So I'm gonna keep this. Then there is a Wild Heart by BH Cosmetics, and I feel like we just got this. Oh, I'm keeping those. Next is another BH Cosmetics and Nude Rose palette. And I'm gonna get rid of this one. Next is another Revolution palette. I just swatched one of these. I'm gonna keep this. Next is a L'Oreal one. And I feel like this is new. Yeah, it hasn't even been used. So I'm gonna keep that. And this one's is like the same thing with different colors. Now there's the B by Bubs Beauty. And I'm gonna keep this. And then there's another palette from the Balm. And it's a Nude Tude. It's graphic. I don't want to get like. So here's the colors. Okay, but are we keeping this? No. Now there's another nude one, and I need to check this first. Oh, these are men. So the colors are Fearless, Flawless, Firm, Flirty, Friendly, Fierce, Fabulous, Faithful, Fit, Feisty, Funny, Fine. I'm not swatching them. You kidding me? No! They're all ugly. Heck no! Okay, let's just keep that. Then there's these two, and I feel like we got these. Like, oh. You know, we got colors like these already, so I'm gonna get rid of them. And we also have colors like these. And like these. But I'm gonna keep it. Then we have a bunch of Revolution palettes. So, how do you open this off the other side? So I'm gonna keep that. And there's the golden chocolate bar. I'm gonna keep that. Those are pretty. Then I have a milk chocolate bar. I have colors in my like that. I'm gonna keep it though. And then I have the black chocolate, dark chocolate. I'm gonna keep it. So that is it for like all the palettes. So we did pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of 22 of them and I'm gonna keep 28 of them. And so we got a big like half of it out, like half. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!